Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I still think this is very likely to make a higher low, higher low. I still think it is going to go up and either make an expanding flat wave C, which in that case it would go up and take out these highs, or possibly it's going to be a running flat. If it's a running flat, then it definitely could go up to like the 78 or the 100%, make a lower high and go down. Either way, I do think it is going to go up again before it does make a bigger push to the downside. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can start to break this down. I still think this looks like a 1. Still looks to me like an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely looks like an expanding flat. That would make this a 1. That would make this a 2, and I still think it's likely to go up and make a 3, 4, and 5, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty good reaction out of all the dollar pairs. It kind of looks like to me it needs another wave down. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to make a wave 5. And if this is a wave 2, then it definitely should respect the 78%, go up and break structure. If it's not a wave 2 and I'm wrong about my Elliot wave analysis, then that's not really going to be a problem for me because I would be looking for shorts anyways. And if it just keeps on going down, if anything, I should just make more money continuing to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Now heading down to the 4 hour time frame, this move up is very impulsive, especially when you look at the dollar index. I think it's a wave A. I think that it probably will drift down, probably a wave B, and I think it will probably push up again for a wave C, and that's where I'll be looking to go short, and that I'll hopefully be learning and earning at the same time, whether it goes down, bounces from a fib level, goes up and breaks structure, or whether it just keeps on making those lower lows, lower highs, and just keeps on trending down, which is definitely a possibility. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I do believe this is a wave A, and I think we're probably pretty much done with the wave A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I think it's likely to go down today, probably take out the low of wave 4, probably make some sort of a wave B. Then I think it's going to go up for a wave C. Probably not all today, but probably by the end of the week, maybe up to the 38.2. Then I think we're going to get a push down. I think this is a wave 4, but it could possibly always be a subdivision of a much, much larger uptrend. So taking it down, so in a ways, that is the 1 hour time frame. So in a ways, like I said, I think it's going to make a wave B, and I think it's going to go up for a wave C. I definitely will be trying to go long at the end of this wave B, and then I'll try to get out of the wave B or get out of the wave C at a Fibonacci bounce. And if it really isn't a wave C and it just keeps on going out, then I'll just hold on because there'll never be an exit. If there is a wave, a break of structure, end of a trend for a wave C, then I'll get out of my long and I'll reverse my position and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to the swing trade setups by signing up on my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.